Hi, my name is Sascha and I'm a technical solutions consultant at SNST. If you haven't watched our application store introduction video yet, we strongly suggest you to do so before watching this one. Because today we're getting hands-on to show you how to install an app. In this case, we're just going to install a mask detector application. To do that, we click a face mask detector application on the App Store and click on Login. Once we have logged in, we buy a license or a trial. In this case, we are buying a free trial for 30 days. Afterwards, we click on Add to Cart. We could continue shopping for further applications, but in this case, we're going to check out. We click on Place Order, and shortly afterwards, we will receive a confirmation email. Once that is done, we can switch to the Device Management Portal. In the Device Management Portal, all of the cameras that belong to ourselves can be found, and we can install applications directly from here onto the camera. To add a local camera to the Device Management Portal, we use our local network to access it with its local IP address. The standard login is admin as the username and admin as the password. Right after, the first thing that happens is that the camera asks us to change the standard password. For this example, we're just going to change it to welcome123, but you can change it to whatever you like. As a result, the user interface of the camera appears, where you can get some information on the camera, change video settings, set the stream configuration, monitor the camera health, and there are some other configurations and functions just as well. To connect to the cloud, we must set the correct camera time. Either we use the time of the computer, which we are accessing the camera, or we use a network provided time. We should use a network provided time if we want to connect the camera to the cloud. Afterwards, we click on Cloud Connection and enable this switch. The camera immediately establishes a connection to the cloud, automatically. The camera gets added to the cloud, and we can give the camera a name, a client, set the location optionally, also a street address. Afterwards, we can click on Install Application. A list of all the applications that we have bought or have trial licenses for appears. From here on, we can install the face mask detection application by selecting the trial license we bought and clicking on Install. And that's it. The application will install itself onto the camera. Going back to the camera, we can observe a list of all the applications running in the Overview tab. Once the face mask detection application is installed, we can see it here as well. Let's take a closer look at the application and see how it works in real life. I'm going to put on the mask, and together with my beloved camera woman, Cecilia, we're going to take a closer look at what the camera is actually seeing. And we're going both to take off the mask. And both of us, as you can see, the camera is recognizing that there's a lack of a mask. Cecilia, let's just put it on again. Spot on. Thank you so much for watching.